Okay, so the pressures of freshwater estuaries are pretty similar to those on saltwater estuaries. But one thing that's happened that, has happened a lot in the past with freshwater estuaries is they've been filled in to reduce mosquito populations. And also the effects of climate change with increased storm intensity increases the volume of water moving through these estuaries, which puts a high strain on them. And so two of the main pollutants in these estuaries are phosphorus and nitrogen. So phosphates come from like fertilizers and human waste, and also from agriculture and fields. And that's nitrogen. Sources of phosphorus would be weathering of rocks and wastewater runoff. And these two pollutants, when they get into the water, they cause a cycle, which the excess of nutrients causes a population explosion of algae. And then once the algae die, the decomposers use all the oxygen in the water, decomposing them, which drains the lake of oxygen, so therefore like fish and other aquatic species can't survive.
Alright, so the estuary that we studied was on the Otter Creek next to our school, Lower Vermont High School, and there's a nature trail behind our school that was built by the VYCC last summer that goes to this wetland. And it's created by the mixing of a lot of different bodies of water. There's seasonal streams that are feeding the wetland that are the result of sheet runoff and erosion, and they're coming from this side of the road and going into the wetland. And then it's also mixing with the floodplain of the Otter Creek. So when the snow melts in the spring and when there's floodwaters in the floodplain, they expand and they go through the culverts and they mix with the seasonal streams in this wetland area.